NFT.NYC gears up for its 4th annual event. Baby Shark releases a second set of NFTs, and a convicted scammer dives into selling NFTs. I'm Taco, and this is your NFT Alpha Update. Let's get it. NFT.NYC, one of the world's largest NFT events, has attracted over 1,500 speakers from across the globe and an expected 15,000 attendees, nearly 3 times the attendees of 2021. Jody Rich, co-founder of NFT.NYC, describes the event as a place to give the community a voice and provide a platform of discussion for the rest of the community. The recent tumble in value to $1,100 for Ethereum, one of the most integral assets within the NFT space, has had cascading events on price floors of many leading NFT collections. Speaking on the impact of the latest market action, Rich was adamant in expressing the primary utility for NFTs in art and music, referencing royalty rights, merchandise, and generating revenue streams. The event will be held from June 20th through June 23rd as fanatics assemble in the Big Apple to discuss sustainability, mental health, and philanthropy. Stay tuned for on-the-ground updates as our team dives into the event, highlighting panel discussions and community initiatives. If you want the latest in NFT Alpha, make sure to smash the like button. Me and Justin cover the latest and hottest NFTs and give you the alpha you need to make gains. Click the link to our channel in the description. Pinkfong, the company behind Baby Shark, one of the most infamous songs on planet Earth, is doubling down on their NFTs with their new project, Baby Shark Collection Number 2. The collection features 10,000 art pieces of generative randomized traits across the entire shark family. The roadmap of the project includes developing a Baby Shark footprint and metaverse, which appears to cater towards interested investors rather than children, since most kids are not speculating on making sweet NFT gains just yet. According to Pinkfong, the first release of Baby Shark's NFTs sold out immediately in December 2021, weeks before the NFT market floor price dropped, likely leaving a few Baby Shark bag holders riding the waves into the next market swing. Pinkfong can be found at NFT.NYC 2022 celebrating the rollout of Baby Shark 2.0 in what they describe as a night of fantastic entertainment, music, and networking. Unfortunately, something tells me the original target audience may be safely tucked into bed in their PJs by the time festivities kick off. Despite the chaotic price action over the last few months, the number of companies around the world leaning into NFTs and development remains strong, and mainstream brands leading the charge may be what puts NFTs into an asset class of their own as development continues. Anna Sorokin, who is well known as the infamous socialite convicted of taking hundreds of thousands of dollars from close friends and business connections, plans to move away from her scammer persona with an NFT collection launch. Sorokin's criminal antics were brought to the big screen on Netflix series Inventing Anna, which depicts her ascension through the Manhattan social scene, eventual arrest, and trial where she was convicted to serve 4 years in prison in relation to the defrauding of banks and hotels out of hundreds of thousands of dollars. Sorokin's NFT collection, wittingly named Reinventing Anna, could be a 6D chess move in disguise, as the infamous fundraiser has minted 10 NFTs, which grants holders exclusive access and includes perks like a one-on-one phone call, a platinum package that will grant the opportunity for holders to meet Sorokin in person and includes personal items. Though still in custody by the Immigrations and Customs Enforcement, Anna is looking to make some big moves on the NFT scene from the Orange County Correctional Facility in upstate New York. That's all I got. Be blessed. Taco out.